This is a Star Trails photo, obviously, and you've probably seen a couple of these by now in the past year. I shot this with my GoPro at our annual family vacation at Milford Lake, Kansas. And I wanted to incorporate a couple things here based on what I've learned over the past year of doing Star Trails. First of all, the idea of context, which you know is so important to me on Weekly 50. When I took a Star Trails photo at Lake McMurtry, near where I live, when we went camping with some friends earlier this year, I realized how important it was to show the cabins, or I'm sorry, the tents, not the cabins, the tents in that Star Trails photo from McMurtry added a whole new dimension to the final image because it gave the viewer a sense of place and size and context that is missing when you just see Star Trails and a lake shore. It's not better or worse, it's just different. And so this year, when we went to our family vacation at the lake, I wanted to see if there's a way I could learn from that photo of the tents and the Star Trails and do something a little different by putting the cabins in the shot. So there's no lake here. And even though I shot this at our lake vacation, you don't see any water. And that was a little different for me. We're only here for a couple nights, and so you only get a couple chances at doing a Star Trails. And I was a little on the fence about, like, do I really want to spend one of my 3 or maybe 4, if the weather's good, Star Trails opportunities without a lake? And I thought, I might as well. I clipped my camera I have like this gooseneck clamp that I use. It's a really good clamp. That you can clip the camera almost anywhere. So I clipped it to the underside of a picnic table across from the cabin where we were staying. And I pointed my camera at the stars, and I used a little star tracker to kind of guess where the North Pole would be, or the North Star. I didn't actually like how the stars are rotating around the center of the frame. I've come to prefer, I guess I'm searching for the right word. I think I've come to prefer that be accurate. The center of the rotation to be off to the left or right. I'm not sure exactly why, but when I showed this photo to a couple of my family members, the reaction was kind of universal praise. They really liked how it was right in the center, and I thought, well, okay, well, maybe there's something to that. I really like that you can see the cabin, and I think that was a huge success, and I want to remember that and find ways to do that again. I also like that little green streak. You know what that is? It's a firefly. And they were really out on this vacation. A lot of these, in all of my Star Trails, there was a lot of fireflies. So it was really cool to see that. Other than that, it's a GoPro 12. I just set it in Star Trails mode. I think I started it to record at like 12:30 at night, and then it went until the battery died. So it was fun to take this. It was fun to try something new with regard to context at the lake. And honestly, I hope you enjoy it.